G, and I am going to be going over this problem to find the derivative and also the domain of the function. So first thing we want to do is we'll state f prime of x equals, and then I take the exponent, which is 5, 6, and multiply it by my variable, which is x. So drop it down, 5, 6 times x to the 5, 6 power, and then I need to subtract 1. Well, in subtracting 1, since we have a fraction with a denominator that is 6, I'm just going to write my 1 as 6, 6. So 6, 6 equals 1. So, and I will simplify that in a sec. Here, let's get the derivative of 6x. That's a little easier. X is to the power of 1, and I just multiply 1 times the 6, which gives me 6. And then when I subtract 1 from 1, I get 0. X to the 0 power is just 1. 1 times 6 is 6. So now we're going to simplify this further. F prime of x equals 5, 6 x, and then 5, 6 minus 6, 6, that's just minus 1, 6 plus 6, or a negative 1, 6. You can say it either way. And then what I want to do, this would be a suitable answer, but I still want to get the domain. So in order to determine the domain, I want to simplify this further. So f prime of x equals, and then I have 5 on top of, in the numerator, and then 6. This is to a negative power, so it's going to go in the denominator, this x. And instead of being square root, it's going to be the 6th root, because this is to the negative 1/6 power. 6. And now in order to get the domain, we need to figure out what values would not be permitted for x. So we know this is an even power, that we have the 6 is an even number. So the 6th root, we know that we cannot have a negative number under the square root, so x cannot be negative. Additionally, x cannot be 0, because 0 times 6 is 0, and we can't have 0 in the denominator. So our domain would be 0 all the way out to positive infinity. And I use parentheses because I do not include 0. It's anything above 0. So it could be 0.00001, any positive numbers, this is saying, and then positive infinity, it's not a specific number, so we use the parentheses. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have questions. Have a great day.